This is a proof of concept for a crawler written in Elixir. Basically, the data is going to be uploaded to Airtable. So we're gonna scrape a website. We're gonna have this little example website that anyone can scrape. So we're gonna scrape it. It's gonna be super simple. We're just gonna take all the books on this page and we're gonna put them on Airtable, okay? And we're gonna do that from Elixir. So let's do that. That's already done. I just wanna walk through it a little bit. So the first thing to notice is we're gonna use a couple of libraries. One of them is called Flocky. One of them is called Poison. This is just specific stuff. So what we're doing is we have to check exactly what it is that we need. That is gonna be a link, I think. I'm pretty sure. So let's go look at that link. H3, href, yes. Yeah, the key thing is that this has a title. So we're just gonna filter by all the A tags that have a title, and then we're just gonna use that. So that's what we do here. For all the titles, we take the document, we search all the A tags that have a title and just extract that title. For the prices, we do something similar. We just extract this little piece of text over here. I think this is on its own class. So yeah, the class is price color. Okay. Price color, so we just select everything that is a price color and we make sure that we turn it into a number. And then with that, we just upload it to our Airtable, which is another little function using this library. And this basically just takes the list and uploads it to Airtable. So let's see it, let's run it. Let's see how these things function. So if we look at the table right now on Airtable, it's empty. It's the table books. Let's run this. So this is how we get started. We run it. It told us a bunch of things. So yeah, I put it to print some output. The first thing it printed was the book and the price, but let's see if they match up. Light in the Attic is 51.77. 51.77, and let's check one random here. Starving Hearts is 13.99. Starving Hearts, 13.99. Very good. After we have those, we put them with the prices. And we just upload them. Turn them into a script book, which has a title, a price, and a URL. The URL is still to be defined. And then we finally upload them. So this worked. Now let's see Airtable. Now we should see some books on Airtable. And they're there. Look at that. Amazing. This means that you can do any scraping now from Elixir using Airtable, and your life is good. Your life is great.